Alright guys, Coach EJ with another foam rolling video. Today we're going to go over rolling your adductor or your inner thighs. So we're talking about this region right in here. Now, words of caution, this is probably going to be very tender. You have a lot of nerve endings running down into your knee. Very, very tender and painful. But if you start experiencing knee pain or even some hip pain, attack this area to see if it creates any sort of immediate relief. Now, what we're going to start with is the roller out to your side, about a 90 degree angle. So I'm going to start with my body in a plank position here. I'm going to whip the leg I'm rolling out to the side at about a 90 degree here. I'm perpendicular to the foam roller, and make sure you're not too far back on the roller here. You want to be forward. Now, if you start feeling some cramping in your hip right here, just slide that leg back a little bit more. Sometimes if people are too far up with the knee, they're experiencing pain and cramping, just slide the leg back just a little bit. All right, so I'm pretty good there, right above my knee. So a lot of people will stick that leg out and they'll start rolling, and I feel a little bit of tenderness there. Now, watch my foot. See how I'm nice and parallel to the floor. If I rotate that leg forward, 10, 15 degrees, I found the magic spot. It doesn't take much, so I'm creating a little bit more forward pressure, but also finding the more tender spot right in there. Right there on my adductor, that is tender as heck. So give that about 30 to 60 seconds. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can go forward and backwards a little bit, bending that knee if you want to. And remember, when we're foam rolling on a scale of 1 to 10, you don't want to get above a 7 or an 8. If the pain is really, really high, you're kind of defeating the purpose of the exercise. We're actually trying to get this thing to relax, not tighten up even more. So I'm gonna hold that 30 to 60 seconds, very tender, hold the spot, and then start shifting out laterally to the side until you find the next available spot right there. So it's pretty much a seek and destroy mission. Right there, make sure that foot doesn't stay parallel to the floor, rotate it 10 to 15 degrees, and just breathe and relax. So main area of focus, guys, right above the knee, work your way up, somewhere to the mid thigh. As you get a little bit higher, you probably won't experience much, but focus on this adductor, and that should create some immediate relief. All right, thanks for watching.